welcome. How to change Toyota Corolla thermostat. And firstly we need to deassemble this Corolla's front area, grille and these mask parts, and after that we can go to look this thermostat. And thermostat, it is located in here, and its place is just there in this front area, over in here. And we start to disassemble these parts. Next we are planning to take this alternator away, and first we have to take this dry belt or serpentine belt away, and there is one specific bolt picture, and it's just that bolt in here. And first you loosen that bolt, and I need to loosen this bolt about 5 rotation turns, and then next step, an idea is that you take 19mm socket and you set up that socket in this next bolt, what is just a little bit upper in that previous bolt. That bolt was in here, and now you set up this bolt in that bolt in this way. When I pull that, then this belt loosens, and I can take this belt away in this behind of this alternator wheel. And when I move that, you have to pull quite hard. This is not, and then this loosens, and you can. It's quite soon open. Little bit behind, just there. And there is interesting that this bolt is 14mm. Okay, and here is 14mm, and this bolt could be very thick, and use your power and be carefully that you can open it, because it's normally very. Okay, and now I have loosened those alternator bolts, and here was this final bolt, and then I can little bit move this alternator in different position in there, and just behind of this alternator there is this thermostat cover is there. We can see there is this thermostat, and then we open those thermostat bolts, and let's go to look thermostat. Okay, and we need 10mm socket that we open those bolts, and there is one bolt left. Okay, and now there is this final bolt, and it's in here, This is this final 10mm bolt, and then I can take this cover out, and there is thermostat, and here is thermostat, and then I take that in it's very thick then in there, and you need a little bit screwdriver or knife, and in that kind of knife you can little bit twist in this, insert my knife in there and a little bit, and there is extra cooling fluid going out. And here is this thermostat, and there is if you have any temperature problems, that your car is too cold or too hot, you can change this thermostat. This thermostat opens in 82 Celsius, and there is possibility to change thermostat, and if you have any problems in your temperature, please change new thermostat. And in same way there are those sealings in here, and please insert this in same way back, and there was you should remember that this area where I use my knife, this is the upper area, and then this thermostat, there is actually some small ventil, backup ventil in here, and I think that this should be in up, that there is no any leak. Okay, and then we set up new thermostat, and okay, and then when you are installing this new thermostat back, please clean also all this old corrosion away in here, because there is some kind of liquid stone and things, and use knife and take these things away, and all in this way, and then be secure that those dirty items goes out in here, and use like cotton rag that you can take those stuff away, and there is quite much dirty. And if you have any leaks when you install this new thermostat, you can use a special sealing material also, like what we have in those you can purchase if this normal gasket was not enough cooled. Insert here special water pump and thermostat sealing material. You can purchase that in car store. Okay, and then I use my cotton rag and I take those stuff thermostat.